I'm back at one of my all-time favorite swishing spots. This is the Inner City Creek. You've been here many times. Of course, this time your sunglasses are broken, mine are not. But look, right off the bat, I see something of interest. Oh, man. Oh, that's a bicycle tire. You're supposed to be a bicycle tire. So we will harvest that. I think I see a person. I think it's head. Oh, it's not headless. Look at that. Hey, it's metal. I thought it was plastic. Must be a cyst. She's bowling. Now that's pretty neat. That's kind of heavy. Put her with the wheel. There is a... I think that is an electrical ground. It resembles a watch chain. I mean band, but it is a I'm mistaken. It is a watch band. They put that right there. There's like a new treasure after every flood. The rest of it looks like piles and piles of nails. It doesn't just look like it. That is what it is. I'm trying not to stir up the water so you can see pretty good. As best you can without sunglasses on. This is how I broke my grippers last time. Moving big rocks. Let's get all those nails out. First, I want to know if she sticks to a magnet. No, she does not. None of our newly found treasures do. So we're going to just go and get this stuff off the bottom. It's a pretty quick thing. There's all the iron. Isn't that incredible? I could come down here for the next 10 years and do this. And it'd be the same thing. Now, if you remember correctly, this is the creek that they're going to fill in with a pipe eventually. And all this is going to be buried. So all my nails and stuff go in a big hole on the side that they have begun to dig that's going to be filled in. Let's do it again. God, I can't even get close to the spot I want to clean up without it picking up everything along the way. Huh, is there anything there you want? Piece of brass. Oh, I wish I had your glasses. Sorry. I wish that rock was gone. Maybe I can gently move it. Oh, look at that. Now we can see underneath it. I guess we need to drop a magnet again, huh? I want to go right here. Oh, yes. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking I planted all this stuff. I didn't. There's a coin hung up in the middle of it. It's moving now that I've been pulling the wads off. I guess it's a coin. I can't get it to just fall out. It is a modern library. I can barely catch a glimpse of it. That's what it is. I think I see another coin. It looks pretty much the same shape and size as the library. I think I see two. That is a library. Man, purse it. I guess we could get underwater and swish it for a while. I was kind of hoping to show up clean and leave clean. That looks like a coin sitting up over there. It's not. Alright, let's take our, that looks like something off a car. Our bowling lady. That looks old, doesn't it? With the hairstyle, like the old flapper days. Flapper no flapping. And that sure does look like a bicycle wheel. But maybe not. And that looks like a cheap spide owl. We're gonna harvest them though. We moved in this spot. I want to move this large piece, which is rocking, and I want to look underneath it. That was heavy. Now we'll have to wait a little while for this really to clear out because it hasn't been exposed. Oh my goodness, I ain't gonna tell you how many years. Where's my grabbers? That kinda put the whooping on a homie. Let's move this. Really need all this kind of cleaned up. I'm gonna do this, hopefully it'll all wash away. And we'll come back and look at it in a few minutes. This is swishing stuff here. Look at that. I think it's kind of cool. Let's harvest. I want to know what's under all the top silt junk. We need to open up a little bit here to get some more flow this way, don't we? I'm gonna swish it some more real hard. I hope you can see. I'm kind of cheating. I have my glasses on. You don't. I just want to find one coin underneath this rock because I'm really thinking it's going to be round. That's about all I can promise. Nothing. Wow. I don't see anything incredible, y'all. Maybe we'll make a little border right here. So everything that washes down will wash on around. Because the deeper we can get, the deeper we'll be. Right? I'm thinking we'll just move on because I can't get real deep in here. Maybe I can just try up here. Maybe you can see okay. Down where my feet are, that's next to the flux capacitor. Yeah, see there's so many rocks. Any of the coins would be at the bottom of the bottom. But down where my feet are, the water isn't moving very well. We're gonna find something in a second. Just be patient. I am. I see glass. I want you to get the glass out of there so kids don't step on it. This is the inner city creek in between a couple of buildings. They're gonna fill it in with pipe and cover it up with dirt. This is not a play place for children. Okay, thanks for letting me know. You're welcome. If you let your children come in here, you don't need to be having no children. Yeah, there's gonna be something here. I just don't know if I have the energy to play dig a tunnel right now. I had a company called Polar Pro that sent me the sunglasses for my camera so you could see well under the water, or over the water while we're looking down in it. But I have yet to find their contact information again. I mean, I know how to go on Amazon and order them, but I'm a cheapskate. They sent them to me for free. They said, hey, you want to try these out? And I said, yeah, they'd be wunderbar. And I did that. And there's a lot of bad reviews saying they don't fit, they don't do this, they don't do that. But my goodness, we love them, don't we? They've worked great. Not a lot of bad reviews. But there are a few saying they're junk and they broke. Oh my goodness, they're glass. Glass breaks, cornflake. We're gonna look a couple more minutes until I really can't catch my breath because I'm bent over. And then we're gonna be done. But I would be willing to guess another good flood or heavy rain, and this is gonna be an awesome spot. So gather everybody around and y'all come on with me. Because all we got this time is what I think is a bicycle wheel, a lady bowling, and a cheap watch band. Thanks for watching my videos though.